People have used apple cider vinegar as a natural remedy for many years because it is extremely versatile. It can be used to treat blood sugar problems, it can lower cholesterol, and it can also treat athlete's foot, a very annoying condition that affects thousands of people every year. Usually, when people use it to treat problems in the feet or toenails, it is soaking. Take a look at 6 different ways that apple cider vinegar can keep your feet and toenails healthy and happy. Athlete's foot. This common fungus that appears on the feet and hands causes rashes that often itch and burn. It can also make skin peel and flake. It is usually found between the toes, but can extend to the nails, heels, and, sadly, the hands. However, apple cider vinegar has what it takes to fight athlete's foot. It is antifungal, antiseptic, and antimicrobial properties help to do several things for our socks-covered toes. It relieves the pain and irritation caused by the fungus leading to the athlete's foot. It also balances pH levels and reduces swelling. Simply soak the feet in 1/2 cup of apple cider vinegar along with 2 tablespoons of Epsom salt and a little water for 10 minutes a day. Fatigue, aches and pains. By wetting your feet in apple cider vinegar, you can soothe swollen, tired feet and overwork. Since it has anti-inflammatory properties, for those who are constantly on the move, it can be a lifesaver. Just add a part of apple cider vinegar to 2 parts of water and a few tablespoons of Epsom salt in a sink. Soak your feet for about 30 minutes to take full advantage of all the benefits of this home remedy. Smell of feet. Not only does apple cider vinegar reduce swelling, it is also a powerful disinfectant. It is capable of killing the bacteria that leads to smelly feet. Again, mix 1 part apple cider vinegar to 2 parts water and soak for 20 to 30 minutes. After doing this every day for 2 weeks, you will no longer have to worry about that strange smell when you take your shoes and socks at the end of a long day's work. Dry skin and calluses. While some people suffer from athlete's foot, and others suffer from smelly feet, some people's feet get tough and leathery over time. Apple cider vinegar softens the skin of the feet and fights calluses, heel cracks and calluses. Simply apply this powerful vinegar to the affected areas to moisten these patches. However, you can also use the above recipes to soak your feet. If you want to apply apple cider vinegar to specific areas, we recommend you burn a cotton ball that has been soaked in the vinegar of the rough spot, corn. Just remember not to let the cotton ball come into contact with the healthy area. The acid can irritate the unaffected part of your foot. Sleep with the cotton ball applied and then remove and exfoliate the next morning. Toe fungus. Yellow, cracked toenails can be embarrassing and unsightly. Apple cider vinegar helps to kill bacteria and keep the toenails clean. If you want to prevent your other toenails from becoming infected and perhaps get rid of the infection, mix 1 part apple cider vinegar with 1 part water and soak for 30 minutes a day for 2 weeks. You will be amazed at the results if you do not have a severe case of toenail fungus. Plantar warts. Apple cider vinegar not only treat calluses, toenail fungus, and heel cracks. They also work wonders on the stubble plantar wart. Soaking or direct application is recommended. Consistency is important. Maintain treatment until the wart is removed.